Wait.
Where are you going?
Which
Andrew.
songs? I'm recording you now.
Andrew.
Which songs are you playing on the 29th? Like, what's your opening number?
Listen, fuck you, go to hell. I don't want to listen to this shit anymore.
I like that song.
And number 2 is. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that was fucking like Batman shit. That was great.
すいません。みんなに撮るし。あ、そうです。わかりました。ごめんなさい。知らない方だ。すいません。知らない方。